Hello everyone. I hope all of you are safe in your homes. I am Debajeet Mitra. I have enrolled for 2-year medical classroom course at Aakash Institute Guwahati East branch. Aakash Institute has the best teachers whose relentless efforts solve all our doubts and make our concepts crystal clear. They are always helpful in solving all our doubts regarding questions or concepts. The Akash iTutor facility is also phenomenal. It has the recorded video lectures of the best expert faculties regarding every subject. The doubt solving facility at Akash iTutor works really fine. We can post our doubts from any book, from the module, from it to any premium books, or regarding any concepts which get resolved within 24 hours itself. So, I recommend all the medical aspirants to join Akash Institute to experience the same and come out with flying colors. Thank you.